भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good evening, friends. Welcome to your favorite program, Logical Guru. Here, we discuss important legal issues to help you become an aware and responsible citizen. Today, we will discuss a bizarre case that happened in India and the laws related to it. The case is of Bangalore. Let us understand it in the simple terms. A Bangalore Consumer Court ruled in favor of a moviegoer who sued PVR Cinemas and Inox for wasting his time with excessive advertisements before a film. The court directed the multiplex firm to ensure movie tickets specify the actual start time of the film, excluding ad durations. The complainant, Abhishek MR, attended a screening of Sam Bahadur on December 26, 2023 at a PVR cinema. Despite the moviegoer's scheduled start time of 4:05 pm, it began only at 4:30 pm after 25 minutes of advertisements. This disrupted his schedule as he had to plan to return to work immediately after the film. The Law News website reported. Frustrated, he filed a case against PVR, Inox, and Book My Show, Bar and Bench reported. However, the court ruled that Book My Show was not liable as it did not control film schedules. The court, in its ruling, criticized the cinema chain's practice and said that in the new era, time is considered as money. Each one's time is very precious. 25 to 30 minutes is a considerable amount of time to sit idle in the theatre and watch unnecessary ads. People with tight schedules do not have time to waste. It deemed the practice an unfair trade practice and ordered PVR and Inox to stop running ads beyond the scheduled start time. PVR and Inox defended their actions, arguing that pre-film advertisements accommodate late arrivals and that cinemas are required to screen public service announcements, which is PSAs. While the court acknowledged this requirement, it pointed out that government guidelines cap PSAs at 10 minutes. It also noted that 95% of the advertisements shown before the screening of Sam Bahadur were commercial rather than government PSAs. As a penalty, the court ordered PVR and Inox to pay 20,000 rupees to Abhishek for mental distress and 8,000 for legal expenses. Additionally, they were fined rupees 1 lakh for engaging in unfair trade practices. Now, let me explain you the act under which this case is applicable. The case is primarily grounded in the Consumer Protection Act 2019. This act aims to safeguard consumers from unfair trade practices, which are defined as deceptive or unethical business practices that cause harm or inconvenience to the consumers. In this specific case, the Commission determined that delaying the movie's start time by approximately 25 minutes to show advertisements constituted an unfair trade practice. The rationale was that consumers plan their schedules based on the advertised movie timings, and such delays disrupt their plans and cause undue inconvenience. The Commission emphasized that the time is valuable and businesses should not exploit consumers' time for their own profit or gain. While there is not a specific regulation detailing the permissible duration of pre-movie advertisements, the Advertising Standards Council of India (ASCI) provides a self-regulatory code that emphasizes fairness and transparency in advertising. However, compliance with the ASCI code is voluntary and primarily addresses the content of advertisements rather than their scheduling or their duration. Therefore, the Commission's decision in this matter is a significant step towards ensuring that consumers' rights are protected against practices that unduly encroach upon their time and expectations. That is all for today's special program. We hope you found this discussion informative. Do share your opinions and suggestions with us. And don't forget to watch your favorite show, Logical Guru. Next Wednesday, we'll meet again, 8 pm. Until then, take care and goodbye.